2 years ago, an anonymous whistleblower left customs documents on the doorstep of Christos Flamburas. They show that some of the companies in the petrol haulage business could not account for the delivery of thousands of tons of fuel. The fuel was effectively lost, along with the tax which should have been paid on it. Papers had been drawn up for a court case into tax fraud, which never happened.
These customs documents were hidden in drawers for years. They didn't come to trial. This is one way of taking care of business when faced with indictments, stuffing things in drawers until the statute of limitation passes.
Tax is normally paid at the oil refinery, unless the fuel is intended for export, shipping or aviation. But that tax-free fuel can be diverted back onto the streets of Greece.
Fuel taxes brought the government $7 billion last year, more than 12% of its tax revenue. But tax evasion on fuel is estimated to cost the government as much as $1.5 billion more. That's equal to almost the entire health budget.
The new government is rushing through a law to stop it.
There's no system to measure what flows in and out of wholesalers' storage tanks. In fact, we don't even know how many tanks there are. Oil barges don't have the tracking devices. Once we put the whole system under surveillance, we'll know that nothing is getting past us.
The oil refining companies are being ordered to fit gauges, but they say they need more time. Time, though, is now in short supply, and pressure for change is growing.
Tax evasion is connected to corruption. It is corruption that led this country to bankruptcy and national humiliation. The money that isn't flowing into state coffers is instead strengthening other centers of influence.
The government reckons it can claw back $3 billion a year from the tax dodgers, and it has to if it is to deliver on promises to help the poor and lift taxes on the middle class. Jazeera, Al Jazeera, Athens.